Every SEO tool tells you what to target. None of them tell you why people are searching for it right now. Surfer SEO can optimize a keyword, but it can't find the one nobody's targeting yet. So I ran the same research task through ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and the results were not what I expected. Let's break it down. Here's the thing most people get wrong about AI-assisted SEO. They treat every model like it does the same job. It doesn't. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are trained differently. They access information differently. And, most importantly, they reason about search intent differently. If you only use one, you're only seeing one angle of the keyword. Traditional keyword research tools show you volume and difficulty. They're backward-looking, built on historical search data. But trends don't start in a keyword database. They start in conversations, in questions people are typing into AI chatbots instead of Google. That's the gap we're closing today. Using AI models not to replace Surfer SEO, but to feed it better raw material. Start with ChatGPT for the broad map. Give it your seed topic and ask it to break the topic into clusters by search intent: informational, commercial, and transactional. ChatGPT is strong here because it's fast at pattern matching large topic structures and generating adjacent subtopics you wouldn't think of manually. The prompt structure that works best. Describe your niche, your target reader, and ask for a pillar and cluster breakdown, not a flat keyword list. This gives you the skeleton of a content plan before you ever open Surfer SEO. Claude's strength is different. It's better at holding a long context and reasoning carefully about nuance. So this is where I paste in competitor content, full articles, not just titles, and ask Claude to identify what's missing. Unanswered sub-questions, outdated data, weak structure, or angles competitors haven't covered. This is content gap analysis, and it's the step most creators skip. You're not just finding a keyword, you're finding the reason your article should exist when 5 others already rank for the same term. Gemini's advantage is its connection to real-time information and search behavior. Use it to check what's rising right now, recent shifts in how people phrase questions, emerging subtopics, and search patterns that haven't shown up in keyword tools yet because the data lags behind. This is your early warning system. By the time a trend shows up in Surfer SEO's keyword database, competitors are already publishing. Gemini helps you catch it earlier. Now here's the step that actually matters: curation. 3 AI models will give you overlapping ideas, some noise, and a few genuinely good angles. Don't dump all of it into Surfer SEO. Cross-reference. Keep only the topics ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini agree have real potential, or where Claude's gap analysis shows a clear content opportunity. That shortlist becomes your Surfer SEO input. Now you're optimizing for a keyword you already know matters. That's the workflow. ChatGPT for the map, Claude for the gaps, Gemini for the trend signal, and Surfer SEO to optimize what survives the curation. None of these tools replace the others. They cover each other's blind spots. If this helped, subscribe. I'm covering the exact prompts I use for each of these steps in coming videos. See you there.